Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to learn about Class D amplifier sound testing, which is an important topic in audio electronics and analog electronics. In this video, we will understand what a Class D amplifier is, what sound testing means, the equipment required for testing, the testing setup and parameters, observations, advantages, applications, and conclusion. So let's start with the introduction. Introduction. A Class D amplifier is a type of switching amplifier that is used to produce high-efficiency audio output. Unlike traditional amplifiers such as Class A or Class B, a Class D amplifier works by converting the audio signal into a pulse width modulated PWM signal. This PWM signal is then amplified using switching devices such as MOSFETs or transistors. Because the switching devices operate either fully on or fully off, the power loss is very low. Key points of Class D amplifier. It has very high efficiency, usually up to 90% or more. It produces less heat compared to other amplifiers. It is widely used in modern audio systems such as Bluetooth speakers and portable sound devices. What is sound testing? Now let us understand what sound testing means. Sound testing is the process of checking the audio output quality of an amplifier. During sound testing, we verify whether the amplifier is producing clear and distortion-free sound. Purpose of sound testing. Sound testing is done to check sound clarity. The audio output should be clean and clear without distortion. Measure distortion. Distortion occurs when the output signal does not accurately match the input signal. Verify amplifier power output. This ensures that the amplifier delivers the required power to the speaker. Ensure proper circuit functioning. Testing helps confirm that all components of the amplifier are working correctly. Equipment required. To perform Class D amplifier sound testing, we need several pieces of equipment. The required equipment includes 1. Class D amplifier module. This is the main device that amplifies the audio signal. 2. Power supply. It provides the required voltage and current for the amplifier circuit. 3. Speaker or dummy load. A speaker converts electrical signals into sound. Sometimes a dummy load resistor is used instead of a speaker during testing. 4. Audio signal source. This can be a mobile phone, a function generator, or a music player. It provides the input signal to the amplifier. 5. Multimeter or oscilloscope. These instruments are used to measure voltage, current, waveform signals. 6. Connecting wires. These wires are used to connect the components in the testing setup. Testing setup. Now let us see the testing setup. The basic setup for sound testing is very simple. Audio source Class D amplifier speaker. The audio source sends the signal to the amplifier. The amplifier increases the signal power. Then the speaker converts it into sound. Steps for testing. Step 1. Connect the power supply to the amplifier module. Step 2. Connect the audio signal source to the input terminal of the amplifier. Step 3. Connect the speaker to the output terminal of the amplifier. Step 4. Gradually increase the volume level and observe the sound quality. During this process, we carefully check the performance of the amplifier. Testing parameters. While performing sound testing, several important parameters must be checked. 1. Output power. This indicates how much power the amplifier delivers to the speaker. 2. Frequency response. Frequency response shows how well the amplifier reproduces different audio frequencies. A good amplifier should reproduce low, mid, and high frequencies accurately. 3. Total harmonic distortion, THD. THD measures the amount of distortion present in the output signal. Lower THD means better sound quality. 4. Signal-to-noise ratio, SNR. SNR indicates the level of the desired signal compared to background noise. A higher SNR means cleaner audio output. 5. Sound clarity. This parameter checks whether the sound is clear and natural. Observations. During the sound testing process, several observations must be made. Important observations include: 1. Clear and distortion-free sound. The output sound should be clean and free from distortion. 2. No noise or humming sound. There should be no unwanted background noise. 3. Amplifier should not overheat. Since Class D amplifiers are highly efficient, they should produce minimal heat. 4. Smooth increase in output volume. When the volume is increased gradually, the sound level should increase smoothly without sudden jumps. Advantages of Class D amplifier. Class D amplifiers provide many advantages. Major advantages include: very high efficiency. Efficiency can reach 90% or more. Compact size. These amplifiers are usually small and lightweight. Less heat generation. Due to high efficiency, power loss is minimal. Suitable for portable audio systems. This makes them ideal for battery-powered devices. Applications. Class D amplifiers are widely used in modern audio systems. Common applications include: Bluetooth speakers, home theater systems, car audio systems, portable sound systems, DJ audio amplifiers. Because of their high efficiency and compact size, they are very popular in modern electronics. Conclusion. To conclude, Class D amplifier sound testing is an important process used to evaluate the performance and sound quality of an amplifier. By testing parameters such as output power, frequency response, total harmonic distortion, signal-to-noise ratio, we can ensure that the amplifier produces high-quality audio output. Due to their high efficiency, compact design, and low heat generation, Class D amplifiers are widely used in modern audio electronics. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more electronics and engineering content.